Imagine turning just $100 into $10,000. It sounds like one of those flashy TikTok promises or a YouTube thumbnail designed to pull you in, right? But here's the truth most people don't tell you: the idea isn't impossible. It's just wildly misunderstood. Because when you hear 100 to $10,000, your brain jumps to overnight success, viral trades, or some hidden strategy that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. But in reality, this challenge sits right at the intersection of discipline, risk, time, and a bit of uncomfortable honesty. So the real question isn't, can it be done? The real question is, what does it actually take, and is it worth it? Let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense. Going from $100 to $10,000 means multiplying your money by 100 times. That's a 10,000% return. For context, the average annual return of the S&P 500 hovers around 8 to 10% over the long term. Even legendary investors don't consistently hit anywhere near 10,000% on a single investment. So right away, you should understand, this isn't something that happens through traditional investing methods like putting money into your 400 1000, buying index funds, or holding blue chip stocks. Those strategies are designed for steady, long-term wealth building, not explosive growth. So how do people even attempt this challenge? Usually, it involves high-risk, high-reward strategies. We're talking about options trading, penny stocks, crypto volatility, or leveraging margin accounts. These are areas where small amounts of money can move quickly, but they can also disappear just as fast. And this is where the hype starts to creep in. Social media tends to highlight the rare success stories: the person who turned a small crypto investment into thousands during a bull run, or the trader who caught the perfect options play. What you don't see are the thousands of people who tried the exact same thing and lost everything. There's also a psychological trap here that most beginners fall into. When you start with $100, it doesn't feel like a big loss if things go wrong. That mindset pushes people to take bigger and riskier bets because the downside feels small, but that same mindset can quickly spiral. If you lose the first $100, you might add another $100 to try again, and then another. Before you know it, the challenge has cost you far more than you planned, and you're chasing losses instead of building wealth. Now, let's talk about what's actually realistic. Turning $100 into $10,000 is possible, but not in the way most people imagine. It usually doesn't happen in one straight line, and it rarely happens quickly. A more realistic path involves stacking smaller wins over time, reinvesting profits, and possibly adding new capital along the way. For example, if you consistently grow your money by 20 to 30% at a time, still aggressive but more achievable, you can build momentum. Combine that with learning market behavior, understanding risk management, and staying consistent, and suddenly the challenge becomes less about a miracle trade and more about a process. Another factor people overlook is time. The viral version of this challenge suggests you can go from $100 to $10,000 in a few weeks or months. That's where it becomes mostly hype. But if you stretch that timeline to a few years, the conversation changes completely. With compounding, disciplined investing, and even contributions from side hustles or savings, reaching $10,000 becomes far more realistic. It just doesn't come with the same instant gratification that social media thrives on. There's also an important distinction between investing and gambling, and this challenge often blurs that line. Investing is about calculated decisions, diversification, and long-term growth. Gambling is about taking big risks for the chance of a big reward. When people attempt to 100x their money quickly, they're often stepping into gambling territory, even if they don't realize it. And while there's nothing wrong with taking calculated risks, it's crucial to know which game you're actually playing. If you're serious about building wealth in the United States, the fundamentals still matter more than any viral challenge. That means understanding how your FICO score impacts your financial opportunities, contributing to tax-advantaged accounts like a 400 1000 or Roth IRA, and being aware of IRS rules that can either help or hurt your financial progress. These are the boring, unglamorous pieces of the puzzle, but they're also the ones that actually work. So where does that leave the $100 to $10,000 challenge? It's not entirely fake, but it's definitely oversold. Think of it less as a guaranteed strategy and more as a high-risk experiment. If you approach it with the mindset that you might lose the entire $100 and treat it as a learning experience, it can actually be valuable. You'll gain insights into market behavior, emotional control, and risk tolerance lessons that are worth far more than the initial investment. But if you go into it expecting fast money or a guaranteed outcome, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. At the end of the day, the real power isn't in turning $100 into $10,000 overnight. It's in building the skills, discipline, and mindset that allow you to grow any amount of money over time. Because once you understand that, it doesn't matter whether you start with $100, $1,000, or $10,000. You know how to make it work. And that's the difference between chasing hype and actually building wealth.